Hello everyone, it's Nurlan from Artseeds. We are here in Barda district, Emirli. We are located around 330 kilometers away from Baku. We are just checking for our onion variety, Texas Grano. Let's take a new look for this variety and the season harvest. Today date is May 27. Italy originated Texas Grano is an early maturing, sweet yellow onion. As everyone knows, this year the weather has been rainy and cold due to climate, so it affects harvest time as well. Maturity around 230 days, depend on the climate. As you see, the skin color is yellow, but this is for only fresh market. Inside, white, juicy and crispy. Very tasty flesh. If you want high productivity, high yield and market-friendly onion variety, Texas Grano is the best choice. Subscribe and follow us for not missing our next post. Thank you.